Here we are. This is Saturday. We're at the Pioneer Steam and Gas Engine Society July show here, and it's raining. I got my umbrella, so we'll see what we can see here. I think I'm going to hit the flea market first. There's an interesting vehicle up there. Take a look at that. Should be some hit and miss engines, some old tractors and stuff to look at. Looks like the National Guard brought that vehicle down. There's a flea market down there. We got a blacksmith. They're supposed to have a rock crusher running here, but it may not be running today because of the rain, so we shall see. Back to you when I see something interesting in the flea market. Okay, folks. Well, it's still raining here at the show, but no matter that, it's a good show. Because look what I found. I couldn't really show it to you in the flea market because people were swarming around like mayflies there when the guy pulled in, but I got in the first bid there and I picked this up for $300. It looks complete. It's a hit and miss. It's got a chain driven mag on it. It's free. Everything seems to work on it. I'm not sure who makes it. I know the flywheels were made in Toledo, Ohio. So I'm going to have to get it home and do some research. But definitely a good show so far. Hopefully we'll see this thing running soon. Well, I'm going to continue on through the flea market and see if anything else catches my eye. But this definitely makes the show for me. Now, once I get it home, I'll get some pictures that are a little bit better. But for right now, it's going to get a cover over it, and I'll be taking it home. We'll see what else is at the show. Here's some of the old farm machinery. Heading into the machinery barn right now. Looks like an old gen set there. Mike might be interested in this one. It says Waukesha gasoline engine. Hay baler. Another big piece of equipment there. A little dark in here. Sorry about that. It's an old hit and miss. There. Autofocus doesn't work. There we go. A little dark, like I said. More of the old equipment. Looks like another hay baler. Another old hit and miss. And this is a wit. You're witty. Old farm mall. I got one of those. I'm back outside again. I think I'm gonna go peruse the flea market some more. I've got my big haul for this show, that little engine. We'll see what else we can come up with. Back with you when I find something interesting. Maybe I can get a picture this time, not so many people will be swarming around. Get a look at some of the tractors here. John Deere's the feature this year. So there's a lot of Deere's. There's an old Oliver. Nicely done. Farmall Super M. What are these here? These look like mullein? Minneapolis mullein? Maybe? Not sure on that one. Another old Deere there. You can hear the announcer in the background there. They just had the kiddie tractor pool with pedal tractors. Pretty neat. Alice Chalmers. That might be what those other ones were. It's still raining here. Lightened up a lot though. Hopefully it'll clear up and we won't have as much later on. I don't know how long I'm going to stay today because I got an engine to go fiddle around with. That guy's getting ready for a big deer or something.
Full pull for Jackson Phillips. Full pull. Landon Pearson.
Oh, there we go. There's one with that corn planter on the back of it. That's a Farmall H, I think. No, Super C. Almost Super C with a planter on the back of it. Here's an interesting one. Look at this thing. There you go. That way you need to plow your garden. Oliver HG. Tank controls.
Okay, a full pull for Landon.
Here's some shredded Deers over here. There's a guy trying to start one of these old beasts. Ferguson. Fordson. There's 3 of them. One's got tank treads on it. Sorry if the wind's a little loud in the mic. I'm not sure. I can't hear it, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Another Deer. I see some hit and miss and stuff over in the next aisle, so I'll be back with you when I get over there. Here's something interesting. Bring you guys in for this. Bombardier sidewalk snowplow, it says. That'd be nice to plow your driveway with.
Right off the end.
That's interesting. Well, back to walking. Here's the hit and miss shed. We don't have many running today. Stover.
Second place, Lake Rose in third place. Come on, guys. Come on down here, guys. Get your ribbon.
Associated. Looks like a diesel there, I'm sure.
Okay, we've got 3 contestants in our 7-year-old class. Cody Mitchell,
Rustin Hornsby.
Cody first. Cody
interesting looking one. Not sure what it is. You got a little Yale, it looks like, running a pump there. I think that's pumping water, cooling water. They do have the one running in the machine runs a machine shop here.
An indicator on it. Rock it around, get it running straight, get it running concentric with the bit. And then we'll just inject that pump down there, fill her up with that. Fly whistle on that 15 over there, or both.
Machine shop going here. Horizontal mill. A couple of lathes back there. In here.
Our last remaining
Paper.
before next year, it's going to have a green yellow.
Oh, really? Why is that?
We'll let it go through paint.
Really?
They stretch, they don't run through.
Okay. So what's the green one's made out of?
Horizontal mill.
It's conveyor belt. I don't know what's made out of.
It's more consistent.
8 inches. That puts him in the third place. Or winner.
Yep, home from the steam show. Get a better look at the engine here. Not sure what it is. The flywheels say Seipner Manufacturing Company, Toledo, Ohio. It's got a Bosch mag on it. It's a chain-driven mag. So I'm guessing this isn't a hit and miss. I'm not sure though. It's got a double valve system. It looks like a choke there. Not sure. Does have a compression release valve there and the flywheels on the side. But I don't see any other markings on it. There's a 5 on the cylinder here. I don't see a nameplate or any other markings on the engine. Let me turn her around here. Here's the back of it. Looks pretty much complete. Not sure about this hole here. I'm thinking maybe there was a fan here. Don't know. Considering it looks like it's air cooled. So if anyone has any ideas what it may be, drop me a comment there. Yeah, it's still raining, so I think I'm going to find something to eat and we'll deal with this a little later on. See you later.